So, day 3, and today we're going to be leaving Loch back through the Caledonian Canal and then out onto the mighty Loch Ness. Another sunny day. When we got up this morning it was really overcast and winds picked up again today, but clouds cleared, blue skies are out. We'll see how we cope with the wind today. Lot of boats on the loch this morning. So we've just left camp and we're just heading out. So we're just leaving a wee sheltered bay, and yeah, the wind is quite strong today, so it's going to be a hard day's paddle, I think, with the headwind. Catch you soon, guys.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So that's us just done the second portage of the day. We've got one more left, which is Fort Augustus. That's about 4 kilometres ahead of us. And then after that, the mighty Loch Ness. So weather-wise so far, it's again a nice warm day, blue skies, but the wind's been picking up today, so again a bit of a headwind, a lot more than we had yesterday, but still pleasant paddling today.
Augustus. Unfortunately, this is where the journey's going to have to finish. Halfway through the full trip and the wind's just beating us. As you can see behind me, Loch Ness is just no way we can paddle that. The forecast for the next few days, the wind's going to increase as well, so it's gusting to about 20 miles an hour. So unfortunately, on this occasion we've only managed to do half the trip. So it's something we're going to have to come back and finish. So the last 3 days have been absolutely fantastic. Sun has been shining. We've had a few hard paddles with the wind, but yeah, it's finally beaten us, unfortunately. So Loch Ness 1, us 0. See you guys next time. Thanks for joining me.
Thank